An exciting and yet emotional day for frontline workers at Yuma Regional Medical Center who rolled up their sleeves to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. Well, one of those was Dr. Cleavon Gilman, a popular doctor who was currently acknowledged by President-elect Joe Biden. Well, he's been pretty open about the realities that frontline workers face every single day. I sat down with him and he shared his experience in this one-on-one you'll only see here on 13 on Your Side.
Although I had the vaccine, this is not the end.
A thought lingering through the mind of every single healthcare worker after getting the COVID-19 vaccine before rolling down their sleeve and heading back into the intensive care unit to save more lives.
I'm supposed to be really happy right now, but it's just a lot of mixed emotions right now. 1,000 people have died from the coronavirus prior to this. We can't kind of experience this.
But the faces of every single patient lost to COVID-19 only make the voice of Dr. Gilman louder. Backlash from tweets that reveal the truth of what they face are not stopping him.
On top of that, there's been a lot of politicians who have jumped the line in front of healthcare workers and then politicians who spread misinformation as well.
At one point, the community was convinced that we were losing a warrior, but the support he's found outweighed the bad.
I came out here for a reason, right? I'm not going to abandon my community. I love working in the emergency room. Even in the emergency room as well, too, with patients. One of my patients was like, "Is this you?" And she had a paper, and then she was like, "Thank you for staying."
And for many frontline workers, those thank yous is what keeps them going.
This pandemic is like a war, and my people in the ER, they're frontline providers. And, I got their back and they got my back.
As they face the harsh realities that the battle against COVID has thrown upon them.
People are still getting very ill in our community. I've had to intubate a lot of people this week.
And to continue voicing the experiences that frontline workers will carry with them for the rest of their lives.
Nothing I say is negative on the hospital. My only goal in all of this, as you see, since March, is to try to save as many lives as possible. And that is my moral obligation. That's kind of built inside of me.
Reporting in Yuma, I'm Christian Galeno.